Billy the cat's checking out the agility tunnel that we've got here. Well, pseudo agility tunnel. What you think, Billy? Better watch it. There's a piranha in there. He's gonna get you. You'll never be seen again, Billy.
Dragging him in there.
Billy, you know you can tell him no if you don't like it.
Billy's afraid he's gonna hurt him.
Move. Chance is determined to bring the cat into the tunnel. Smack, smack. Oh, Billy, you're getting a little upset.
You don't want to go in there.
Chance has got his paw. Believe me, folks, if this was bad, I wouldn't let them do this. But Billy is the coolest cat. And he could leave if he wanted to. Billy lets the big English Shepherd Tucker, and then he lets Sage drag him all over the yard. So he's just one of those 1 in a million cats. So now puppy Chance gets to play with Billy.
You don't care.
Yeah, Billy's not too upset.
He's used to it. He goes through it every day.
What happened, Chance? Billy, you're too cool. See, he's got plenty of room to run. He's not fenced in or tied. If he wanted to leave, he could leave. Obviously not too worried about it. But Chancers, you're a silly puppy.